We'll guide you through how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook so that you can streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on your name. From the drop-down menu, select Apps. Now you should see a list of available integrations. Look for Outlook and click on it. This will open a new page where you can start the integration process. Click on the Connect button next to Microsoft Outlook. A new window will pop up asking you to log in to your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials and grant the necessary permissions to allow ClickUp to access your Outlook account. After you've done that, you'll return to the ClickUp Integrations page where you should see a confirmation message indicating that Outlook is now connected. Next, you'll want to set up how tasks and emails will sync between the two platforms. In ClickUp, go to your workspace settings and find the Outlook integration settings. Here, you can choose to sync tasks from specific folders, set up task creation from emails, and even decide how often you want the sync to occur. Make sure to save any changes you make. Now, whenever you receive an important email or need to create a task directly from Outlook, it will automatically sync with ClickUp, keeping all your projects in one seamless flow. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy a more integrated experience between ClickUp and Outlook. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.